Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So this set was really easy, really simple, just a sugar nail effect, and I wanted to do white to pink and just do like different shades of pink. So this is going to be kind of self-explanatory. It's just polishing solid colors and then throwing on a glitter, but I wanted to record it to show you guys what colors I used and then what glitter I used so that you guys could also recreate these if you wanted to, or if you liked a specific pink and how it came out, you can just make those, or just to like see, I don't know. But yeah, I just recorded these also so that I can remember what colors I used. These are my top like pinks and I love them. My personal favorite nail was the Heaven Sent one with the glitter, which is the one I'm doing right now, the index finger. I just think that pink came out so pretty. I'm probably gonna make a full set of those, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. There's not really much to talk about on here, but if I see something that I feel like I should explain or anything like that, I will definitely let you guys know. I hope you guys enjoy this video. really quick, if you guys watched the video that I posted before this, which was the gray freestyle, this is the same glitter that I used for the Frenchies. I don't think I showed it in the video, I completely forgot, but I did link it in my Amazon storefront for you guys to go ahead and purchase if you wanted to. It's called like Recollections Extra Fine Glitter, and it's in the color Snow. And the Amazon link that I posted, they have so many different colors to choose from too. I'm like probably gonna order quite a few of them, but just so you guys know, like this extra fine glitter from them is absolutely perfect for sugar nails or any type of raw glitter nails that you want to do. So yeah, if you guys want to get that, definitely do that. And then if you want the glitter like that changes to whatever colors underneath, this one right here, Snow, is absolutely perfect for that. And then once the nails are fully cured, I like to go in with a scrub brush like this and just brush off any excess glitter and just make sure that it's completely cured, because the worst thing would be for it to not be cured. But yeah, I always do like a double cure if I'm doing glitters and stuff, just to make sure that the glitter underneath or the polish underneath is completely cured, and then I will brush it off like this just to make sure. And this is what they look like applied. I am super obsessed with these. Like, look at the low lighting. Oh my gosh, this glitter is just so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get this glitter and start making sets. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.